Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix Bluetooth not connecting problem in your Realme smartphone. So how you can solve it. So friends, if you are connecting your speaker, your earbuds or anything else, any Bluetooth connect device connectivity, so you have to connect it. If it is not connecting, then you have to just type here in the settings reset. Here it is, the settings, just write here reset and reset phone. Then here it will show all the settings over here. Then you have to click on this reset Bluetooth and you have to do it like this. Click on reset and it will, you can see here it is written Wi-Fi, so it will Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network setting will be reset. So you have to click on OK and Bluetooth will be reset to your default setting, and then you have to restart your device also. And if it is not solving, so friends, your problem is not on the phone, the problem is in the your another device. Like if you have earbuds or any Bluetooth device, you have to reset another device also. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.